Chairman of the committee, Mr. Upton, 5 minutes.
Well, thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Fanning and Mr. Early, I guess, Mr. Early, in your testimony, you talked about if these utility MAC rules, if the timing stays 60 days to review, begin to see them implemented, 1,000 pages of regulations. You indicated in your testimony that you would be probably forced to retire nearly a third of your plants. Is that accurate, right?
Yes, Mr. Chairman. We estimate between 20 and 30% of our capacity will have to be retired if these rules stay as they are.
And how fast would that have to occur?
That would have to happen over the next 4 years. There would not be enough time to build new capacity to replace it, given the timetable of this bill.
So you'd have to purchase power from somebody else?
We would be forced to purchase power on the open market.
And how easy is that to do?
Well, if the power is available, it's easy to do. What will happen is it will drive the price of electricity on the market. The laws of supply and demand can't be repealed, and we'll be paying more, and our customers will be paying more for electricity.
And how much more do you think that would be?
Our estimate is that the overall cost to our customers is in the range of 25% increase if these regulations are implemented.
So as we come from Michigan, where we're already getting pounded with higher unemployment, this would add to those costs in a pretty dramatic way.
Absolutely, Mr. Chairman. And remember, it's on top of environmental controls that we already have installed that our customers are paying for, and the multiple regulations that are in the pipeline which will add to these costs. So it will be a significant burden for our customers that are challenged and are struggling to recover from the Great Recession.